Weaving. At this point, the weaver begins to weave the desired design into the textile by synchronically weaving the weft from the shuttle or shuttles into the warp, whose sets move up and down with the heddles that are managed from the pedals using the weaver's feet. The weaved Abel can now be made into different products such as bags, shawls, and table linens. As you can see, this old age tradition does not only showcase the artistic side of Filipinos but also a great source of income for many of the men and women of Kawayan. And now that you've seen the basic steps in weaving and found it interesting, an adventure awaits you. Pack your clothes and book a trip to Kawayan and learn weaving firsthand. The weaving industry needs people like you to help continue this tradition for many more generations to see and experience. But if you didn't, you can still visit Kawayan Ilocos. See, there's always something for everyone here. And hey, maybe seeing it would change your mind about weaving. Umay kayo agabel dito'y Kawayan. Yep, that's Ilocano for come to Kawayan and try weaving. So if you're still having doubts, you might just learn another dialect while in Kawayan. Take that for an adventure of a lifetime. See you in Kawayan. It's never too late to pick up a shuttle and get that rhythm going.